Welcome. Let's evaluate the cube root of 4 times 16 times 10 exponent 12. First, let's find the product of this. So I still have the cube root of 64 times 10 exponent of 12. The cube root can also become a power of half under indices. So I should be having 64 times 10 exponent 12 all raised to the power of 1/10. And if that is the case, this can be translated into indices, a base and power. That will carry what? Power 3. That will mean 4 exponent 3 times 10 exponent 12 all raised to the power 1/10. Now we can shift in the power to affect the two multipliers. So this becomes 4 exponent 3 as in this, multiplying 1/3 times 10 exponent 12 multiplying power of 1/10. So we need, when you multiply this, you'll be having 4. When you multiply this, 12 divided by 3 will give you what? 10 exponent 4. That means your answer will just be 40,000, right?